Hi friends, Saurav, welcome back to my channel. In our last tutorial we have learned about instead of update trigger. Today we are going to learn about instead of delete trigger. So as we all know that trigger instead of trigger we perform on views. So today also we are going to do the same thing. We will try to delete some data from our view, and then we will try this instead of delete trigger. Okay, so for that let me show you the trigger first. So let's jump to SQL workshop. We are here. So as you know that we have a trigger called we have a view called vw underscore ysc. So this view is having 4 data currently. Okay, this view is getting created using 2 tables. I'll just show you the table data. Select star from example. Our first table is example, which is having 2 data, and our second table is example 2. Okay, so let me do it, and run this. So as you can see, we have these 2 tables. Using these 2 tables we have created a view vw underscore ysc. So we will be trying to delete some data from this view actually, and let's see what happens. So let me do it first. Select star from our view, and so we have this data. Let's run a delete command here. So delete from view, where I'll say L name is equal to jobs. Okay, so I want to delete those data where L name is jobs. Okay, so let's run this command. As you can see, that cannot delete from view. Okay, because we are not actually able to delete the data. When we can do that after running the instead of delete trigger. After creating instead of delete trigger, we could delete the data from view actually. So to see the trigger, let's jump to Sublime Text here. So as you can see, I have written the trigger. Okay, so what I have written here: create or replace trigger id. Id means instead of delete underscore vw underscore ysc. Then instead of delete on vw underscore ysc, this is our view. For each row, begin delete from example. This is our first table. Delete from example, where fname is equal to old dot fname, and delete from example 2. This is our second table, where lname is equal to old dot lname. Fname is the column name of example table, and lname is the column name of example 2 table. Okay, so let's copy this, Control C, and paste in our SQL workshop, Control V, and then run this. Trigger got created successfully. Now let's try to let's select from the view first. Select star from vw underscore ysc. Run this query. So we have 4 data. Okay, so as you can see that we have created the trigger. Now we will try to delete some data. So let's do delete from vw underscore ysc, where l name is jobs. So I want to delete those data where l name is jobs. Let's run this command. Now you can see it has been successfully deleted after creating this trigger. Okay, so hope this thing is clear to you. Let me do select star from view. We don't have any data because jobs we have created, and job is present in our first table actually. Let me do select star from example table. So as you can see, we don't have any data in our example table. That's why we are not getting any data in our view, because view is created with the help of this example table. Okay, so hope this example is clear to you. The example and concept of instead of delete trigger is clear to you. For any confusion or doubt, let me know in comment box. Okay, thanks for watching the tutorial. Thank you very much.